आपके निरंतर के लिए हाजिर है श्रीमान। जय श्रीमान।
Political movements which happened in India, including the independence, struggle for independence and education for Andhra and other. So it has its own great history, legacy and narration. I hope we all will stand for it and we'll continue the legacy which Andhra Medical College beholds for us in all these 100 years. As we all aware, last year we had the centenary celebrations. I once again thank all the all the faculty members, students who have actively participated, and the alumni who have been there from far and wide, from both India and from abroad, and made the centenary celebrations a success. And I hope the alumni which have contributed nearly more than 30 crores for the centenary alumni. One of the gruesome incidents which happened in Kolkata, which made us all to bend our heads in shame actually. I think all the hospital and all the medical college, all the environment should be very well protected for especially for the downtrodden and women. And I hope all of you and myself will again try to bestow whatever we can do in our to make the premises protective to the women who are our probably children and sisters. And so with this I once again thank you all for supporting me last 2 years in continuing the legacy of Andhra Medical College. Thank you, Anil.
Thank you so much for inviting me to address this gathering. Respected Principal Dr. Buchiraj Garu, my colleague Academic Vice Principal Dr. Manmad Rao Garu, our Director, Administrative Director Loknathan Garu, my dear faculty, administrative staff, students and friends. Today is the 78th Independence Day our country is celebrating. On this occasion, we all should remember the great sacrifices made by our freedom fighters, the great leaders. Most of us are post-independence born, and most of the students now in the gathering are post-millennial batch. They are all born after 2000. That means the memories of independence are maybe slowly fading away. This is the day where we have to rekindle those memories, reignite those efforts made by our great freedom fighters, and should never remember. And it is the time we should honor them with our whole heart. This is the day to do that. When independence came to India, India is one of the poorest countries in the world. Now in these 78 years, you just see the growth, the phenomenal growth, economically, agriculturally, military-wise. You take any field, there is an immense growth our country is witnessing. And we are part of that generation which has witnessed this growth. I am very happy to be part of that growth. And the baton is now passing to the young students, the post-millennial batch. You should lead the country to much greater heights, make this country the best in the world and the most respected country in the world. We are reaching that, but it is your job to see it as a possibility, as a certainty, in fact. Thank you very much for giving me this occasion to talk to you. Thank you.
జెండా కుల మతాలకు అతీతం మన జెండా, భిన్నత్వంలో ఏకత్వం మన జెండా, భిన్నత్వంలో ఏకత్వం మన జెండా, సమగ్రతకు ప్రతిరూపం, సామరస్యానికి ప్రతిబింబం, సమగ్రతకు ప్రతిబింబం, సామరస్యానికి ప్రతిరూపం, మనందరికీ అపురూపం మన జెండా, సమగ్రతకు ప్రతిబింబం, సామరస్యానికి ప్రతిరూపం, మనందరికీ అపురూపం మన జెండా, స్వాతంత్ర్య కాంక్షను రగిల్చిన జెండా, స్వాతంత్ర్య కాంక్షను రగిల్చిన జెండా, బానిస సంఖ్యలను తెంచిన జెండా, బానిస సంఖ్యలను తెంచిన జెండా, పరాయి పాలనను పారద్రోలిన జెండా, పరాయి పాలన పారద్రోలిన జెండా, స్వేచ్ఛా స్వాతంత్ర్యాలకు ప్రతీక మన జెండా, స్వేచ్ఛా స్వాతంత్ర్యాలకు ప్రతీక మన జెండా, మది మదిలో మన జెండా, ప్రతి మదిలో మన జెండా, మది మదిలో మన జెండా, ప్రతి మదిలో మన జెండా, ఇంటింటా మన జెండా, ప్రతి ఇంటా మన జెండా, ఇంటింటా ప్రతి జెండా, ప్రతి ఇంటా మన జెండా, రండి ఎగురవేద్దాం, రండి ఎగురవేద్దాం, ఉత్సాహంగా ఉల్లాసంగా ఆనందంగా, రండి ఎగురవేద్దాం, ఉత్సాహంగా ఉల్లాసంగా ఆనందంగా. థ్యాంక్ యూ.